Hi everyone and welcome to ICO Investor, and in today's video we're going to learn about one of the best exchanges around the world for crypto named Binance and how you can actually use it to your own benefit to make more money, whether trading and whether it's from gaining interest on the money that you already have in different crypto coins. So make sure to watch till the end in order to learn how to maximize your profit in the crypto market. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Binance? So Binance is one of the best exchange that you can use, whether if you're an advanced in crypto or whether if you're a total beginner. This is an incredible exchange to use because first of all, the fees are very low, and most importantly, you have many options, so it's very comfortable to use. So first of all, as you can see that you can learn in the academy, you can learn literally anything you need to know in order to get started with crypto. In their academy, you can click in here by just going to this, and here you will be able to watch some videos, you will be able to learn a lot, and that way you will be able to understand what you're doing and to increase your chances to make as much money. And by the way, you can do that in your own comfort, meaning that you can get started whenever you want from wherever you want. You can get started with almost every amount, like you can enter with very low investment in the beginning. You can transfer from your bank account directly to Binance and to start trading like you do with any investment company. You can buy crypto with your credit card or your debit card. You can do with a P2P trading, and you can use also third-party payment. Another great options that you can see in here is that the market trends, meaning that you can see what are the coins that are currently trading in the highest volume, and there is literally the most people that are currently trading. So for example, you can see their own coin, the BNB, you can see Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can see DOT, and also if you want to see more market, you can actually click in here, and that way you will be able to see much more coins that you can currently buy, and literally a click of a button. Let's take Shiba for example. So you just click in here, and that way you can see also a lot of details about the specific coin. So let's see in the period of 4 hours, for example, so you can see the different changes with the different candles, so you can understand which action you need to take in order to make a profit, whether if you do a long or you assume that the value of the coin will drop, and that way you will use some short in order to make money, and you will sell it when you see that you make the profit that you assume. Also, you have here several options that you can actually put stop limit and a lot of other aspects in here that can help you, let's say, assume from the research that you've done that the coin will get to a specific high or low. So you can actually use the stop and limit and actually define which is the stop or the limit that you want to, let's say, for example, the USDT in the contrary of Shiba or vice versa. And that way to go sleep tight at night and to know that coin will get to the specific price that you thought it will. Also, you can see in different trading views, and you can see it in different time frames. So for example, you can see in 1 hour changes, in 1 day, you can see in 1 week as well. And in general, you can see a lot of aspects in here. Like you can see that every candle is a week, and you can see that there are several changes. As you can see in here, it's almost been the same in here, but then in here there was a high spike in here. So if you would, let's say, buy in here and then sell it in here, so you would probably made a lot of profit. So that's why it's very recommended before you get started to actually go to their academy. And as you can see in here, you can learn for free, as I showed you in the beginning. Also, you have charity in here, you have the different trust wallet, you have different broker, you can also customize crypto gift card. So if you want to gift someone a gift, you can do that. You can also see Binance Live and actually bringing blockchain broadcast, and actually to see broadcast live. Also, you have an incredible options in here. As you can see, you have all the options that you need in order to trade. You can convert, you can do the classic trade, you can use some advanced tools in order to actually use more advanced techniques and hopefully make more money. You can also use different loans in here. You can actually get instant loan in here by crypto assets, so if you want. And one of the best features that I love in Binance that you cannot find in every exchange is actually the earn section. So let's say that, for example, you have several coins in here, there's just sitting in your Binance balance. So instead of just sit and increase, hopefully, in value by time, okay, you can actually make some money just by putting it in different accounts. So for example, you can use Binance savings. As you can see in flexible savings, you can withdraw it whenever you want. And for example, on AVAX, according to to today, you can make 3% of the money that you put in there. Also, you can do it with cake of 12%. As you can see, it's flexible, meaning that you can withdraw it whenever you want. You have also locked savings, so it's for different period of time. As you can see, annual interest rate of 25% on XE, for example, and it's literally just sitting there, and you can withdraw it, let's say every 7 days or every 15 days. In general, you can withdraw it before, but if you will withdraw it after the specific time, get the interest that you made also in the past, let's say 7 days. But if you will withdraw it before, so on the last period of time that the money should been staying, but you withdraw it a little bit before, so you won't get the interest on that, but you still will be able to use. And also you have a much more advanced feature in here. Now, let's say that you have an incredible project that you believe for the long term. So you can actually use auto invest plan, and that way you can choose if it's for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or 3 years. And that way you will be able to actually do it automatically. So let's say that you have a business, a job or something. So you'll be able to focus on that and to know that it's invested automatically, which is something that a lot of people do if it's just going from your bank account to investment directly. So you will be able to get to enjoy the benefit of compound interest. And if money just sitting in your bank account, a lot of times just people finds reason to use it. But if you will do it automatically, it's much more increases the chances that you will actually invest it, which will actually help you, because as you know, crypto is just in the beginning and it has much more to grow as the world will learn about this incredible technology and will know how to use it to the benefit of the businesses and also for us, the population in the world. Now, an incredible feature, I think that it doesn't matter if you're an advanced or just a beginner, it's the first time that you've heard of an NFT, is actually to look on the NFT section in Binance, which is absolutely new. And you can find here the marketplace, as you can see in here, and you can see the top collections, you can see the top sales, and you can see also the top creators. So let's say that, for example, there's a creator that several collections of him was very successful. It might be a good idea to look on future collections and maybe get in to sign up to their social media of the projects that because he has good reputation, so it also increased the chances that it will have value in the future. And as you can see in here, you can filter the different collections in different aspects, whether it's categories, whether it's file types, sale types, and currency. Now, as you can see in here, you can also see gaming. What is IGO? So IGO is initial game offering, actually NFTs, assets from top tier gaming projects that are available exclusively on Binance NFT, and the assets can launch either via auctions, fixed price, or mystery box. So if you're interested to hear about a lot of options that maybe enjoy also from airdrops from different NFT projects, make sure to go to different games in here to read about them and different places. The best way to do that is actually by sign up to Binance and to sign up to their social medias by clicking the link down below, and that way you will get to their incredible website, and that way you will also get notified from first about different projects and different games that maybe just from playing with them you will have the options also to make some money, and assets that you earned in the games will increase in value and hopefully even double or more their value. Now, also, you can find different mystery box in here, which is incredible. And you can see that the prices are very accessible. You can get in 20 BUSD, which is pretty decent. And the value of 30 BUSD for most people, an investment can do. So very recommended to learn about different projects. And as you can see, you can get in with even lower for different games. So make sure to do your own research to learn about different projects, but Binance NFTs is absolutely an incredible opportunity, especially when it's new and you know that it's a well-known company. So if you want to take part and to have the opportunity to use this incredible platform of Binance, make sure to go to Binance.com by clicking the link down below. Now, one last thing that I wanted to say is that also when you want to look on different markets, you can actually see that there are different categories in here. So let's say that, for example, you're a fan of the metaverse and you really believe on the metaverse for the long term. So you can actually click in here and you can see different currencies of different metaverse. So if you want to invest in different metaverse coins, you don't need to look on all the coins. You can click in here, or let's say that you're very interested in DeFi. So you can see in here different currencies that related to this subject, and also if it's related to NFTs, so you can do that as well. And if you want to see in general, you can actually also see the different prices, the 24 change. You can see the 24 hours volume of different currencies and also the market cap of different currencies in order to make decisions to what do you want to invest, what do you want to sell, and hopefully make a lot of money. So for summary, if you're an advanced crypto trader or you're a total beginner in crypto, Binance is an incredible place also to invest and actually get interest on your cryptos, and also to learn if you want to educate yourself by clicking on Binance Academy. And also if you are from a different place around the world that is not speaking English well, or you want to look it in your own currency, you can change in here. As you can see, you can change for different currencies, and also you can change the language that you can see in here. So if you want to get started, make sure to click in the link down below. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel, so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.